Top 3 VFX video editing apps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you top 3 video editing VFX only for phones iOS and Android. So the first app is Snap Effects. This app is so cool. As you can see, you can do many things with it. There is a lot of effect here for videos and photos. The second app is FX Guru. This app is so funny and you can make cool videos with it in a few seconds. The third app and the last one is Extreme VFX. This one I just discovered it and it has some cool VFX. You can edit uh, easily. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it.